Hey doodlers, I'm Doodle Dog. Grab a pencil and let's draw together. Today we're going to draw a happy backpack. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start right about here on the page, and we're going to start by drawing the backpack's main shape, or pack shape. This is the outer line for the outside of the backpack. Remember, you can always pause the video if I'm going too fast and catch up. It's a long line. It goes all the way around down here. This is the bottom. And then curves and comes back up. It's kind of like a rectangle with curved corners. We're going to stop right here though, and we're going to leave a little space, and we're going to keep going up here because that's where the backpack's arm's going to come out of. Okay, now let's do the inner, let's give this backpack some shape. So starting down here on the bottom, on this corner, we're going to do an inner line that goes all the way around and up and over and stops right about here. And it curves back down and stops right about there like that. Okay, now let's add the arms on the side. So over here, we're going to do a curved line up like this. And then we're going to do another curved line up like this and keep it kind of even space. And then we'll do a thumb, and we'll do 3 fingers like that. And we're going to come over here and do the same thing. So starting on this side, a curved line up and a curved line down like that. And then his thumb and 3 fingers. Okay, now let's do the handle on top. So up here, up on top, we're going to do just an arching curved line around like this. And then we'll come over to this side and do another larger one that's around and leave it about an even space around inside here, even. Okay, now let's do the straps on the backpack. No backpack's complete without back straps. So starting about here, we're going to do a curved line up and over. And then we'll pause there and we'll start it like it's behind the arm. Continue it behind the arm. And then down, and then into the back of the backpack like that. And then right here, we're going to do a curved line up like that. And then we're going to imagine a line from behind here, but it's going to just curve and connect there. So that's one strap. Let's do the other strap over here. So starting right about here, we'll do a curved line up and over and down like that. And then another one inside like that. And then we're going to leave these little slivers of negative space. That's called negative space. It's what you see through. So there's the strap. So now let's put a pocket on the front of the backpack. So starting right about here, down, about 2/3 down, we're going to do kind of a long curved corner rectangle. Kind of boxy shape. And this is where you put your pencils or your erasers or small things, paper clips, whatever you might need in your backpack for your day. Okay, and then let's do a zipper. So right about here, we'll do a circle. And then we'll do a zipper shape, which is kind of like a little bit of a triangle. And then let's do the zipper lines here. So this is just a line that goes across like this. And then we're going to do another one that's parallel with it, like this. Okay, now let's give it a face, and a big, happy, excited face. So starting right here, we're going to do one of the eyes. And then we'll do another circle over on this side for another eye. that. And then inside, I'm going to fix this a little bit, make it a little bit more round. Inside that we'll do a smaller circle and then an even smaller circle. We'll do 2 highlights, and then same on this side, a circle and a smaller circle. And now let's color that in black. Okay, now let's give some eyebrows. So just a curved line on top like that, and then one on top like that above the eye. And let's do a big, happy, open mouth. So we're just gonna do a curved line up like that, and then it's gonna come down, and then connect back up like that. And let's do a tongue inside, and then we'll color the inside black.
I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in.
Okay, I'm gonna make my backpack kind of like a purple, a light purple color, but you can make yours any color you want. And we'll do like a darker purple for the inside back of the straps, just to show it give it some depth. And we'll make the tongue pink, and we'll make the zipper gray, so it's kind of like a metal color. And let's make the highlights in the eyes like a aqua blue. Don't forget to sign your doodle.
Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe.